Hi dear students, how are you? Hope all are fine and safe at your home. In the previous class, we have studied our 7th chapter topic, how to add fractions. So, with that topic, we have completed the 7th chapter. That is a very small chapter like our fraction matcher. So only this much topics we need to study in that chapter. So what all are the topics in chapter 7? Yes, how to open the software JFraction Lab, how to change the language to English in JFraction Lab. There are two activities, adding fraction and comparing fraction, and in these two activities we have studied 3 buttons: continue button, end button and hint button. And we have studied how much marks or how much points are added for each game. So if you are playing without the picture or without the diagram, you will get 2 points. If you are playing with the diagram, you will get 1 point. Okay, so these are the topics which we have studied in the 7th chapter, a very small chapter. I will give you the notes. Okay, now we are going to start a new chapter today, our 8th chapter. Chapter name is Maps at Your Fingertips. So in this chapter, you please be ready with your textbook. In your textbook, page number 45. In your textbook, page number 45. This is your textbook, page number 45. This box, it is written here K geography. So they have given the definition of K geography. So K geography is nothing but it is related to your subject social science. Okay, it is related to your subject social science. So it will provide us lot of information. What all information? Such as international boundaries, national flag of each country, names of states and their capital. We know that there are 29 states in India and each state is having their own capitals. For example, Kerala. For Kerala state, the capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Likewise, okay, so it will provide these informations. Okay, so I'll read out once more. It will provide information such as international boundaries. Okay, international boundaries is nothing but which all are the neighboring countries of India. So I will show it, okay, in today's class. I repeat, international boundaries is nothing but which all are the neighboring countries of India. You may be already studied. If you have not yet studied, no problem, I will show it today. And also it will provide information such as national flags. Okay, Okay, so each country is having a flag, right? So it will provide the information of national flags, and also it will provide the name of the states and also their capital. Okay, so I will show it today. So this is the definition. So please underline this sentence: information such as international boundaries, national flags, name of states and their capitals. Okay, so please underline this point. So that is the definition. Next, in your textbook you can see this table, this blue color. So in this box it is given, while you open this software you can change the language of K-Geography. So like our J fraction lab, when we open the software it is in Malayalam, right? Here also when we open the software K-Geography, it will be in other languages like Malayalam. So we need to change it to English. So how to change that? So I will show it. Okay, now I will show it now. And one more thing, how to open K-Geography. It is given here. How to open K-Geography? Applications, second step education, and third step K-Geography. I repeat, applications, second step education, and third step K-Geography. Okay, so I am going to open the software and I will show this one, how to change the language. Okay, so at the top left corner you can see applications. Click on applications, second step education, and here you can see your K-Geography software. Click on that. So you can see a map of India here. This is a very useful software. Okay, so I'll show it, and you can see here it is in Malayalam. Okay, so how to change that? Here you can see a menu called, it is written here Sahayam, help button. Okay, so click on this button Sahayam, click, and here you can see Prayoga Bhasha Matuga. There is an option. ഇവിടെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണാം ഒരു ഓപ്ഷൻ കാണാം, പ്രയോഗ ഭാഷ മാറ്റുക. ക്ലിക്ക് ഓൺ ദാറ്റ്. ഇവിടെ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട് പ്രധാന ഭാഷ, അതിവിടെ കിടക്കുന്നത് മലയാളമാണ്. അത് ഇവിടെ ഈ സ്മോൾ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക ഡ്രോപ്പ് ഡൗണിൽ. സോ ഹിയർ യു ക്യാൻ സി US English. Click on this US English. Now click on OK button. So a dialog box will come here. Click on OK button. This OK. Still it is in Malayalam, right? It has not yet changed. So what you have to do? You have to close the software. Close it, and once again you open it. Application, education, K-Geography. Now it is in English, right? So first you have to change the language and close the application and reopen it again. Okay, so now we have opened the software and also we have changed the language. Okay, so up to this, hope all are clear. Now in your textbook, the same page number 45, you can see an Indian map here, your figure 8.1. Okay, so here you can see a blue line. Can you see here in your textbook, page number 45? There is a map of India, and inside that map you can see a blue line. Please watch my mouse pointer. Can you see a blue line here? Yes, this blue line. So this is nothing but through these states the river Ganga is flowing. Okay, so this blue line is river Ganga. I repeat, this blue line, can you see here a blue line? This blue line is river Ganga. It is written here, river Ganga. So we need to find in which all states river Ganga flows. I repeat, the question is this: find out the states through which the Ganga flows. This is a question I have highlighted here. Find out the states through which the Ganga flows. So we need to find those states, these states. First one is this one, second one this, third one this, fourth one this, and fifth one. There are 5 states. So we will find out using the software. So this is the first state, right? So to find out which is this state, yes, you just click on this inside this state anywhere. Just make a left click inside this state anywhere. So I am going to click here. So which state it? Yes, Uttarakhand. It is Uttarakhand. Okay. Now we are going to click on the second state. This is the second state in blue color. You can see here. This is the second state in which the river Ganga flows. Click inside this state anywhere. So which state is this? Yes, Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Now this is the third state in which the river Ganga flows, in this cream color. Click anywhere in this inside this state. So this is Bihar. So Bihar is the third state in which the river Ganga flows. Now this green color state, this is the fourth state in which the river Ganga flows. So click inside this state anywhere. So which is the fourth state? Yes, Jharkhand. Jharkhand is the fourth state in which river Ganga flows. And the last one, this state, this light green. Click inside that. So that is West Bengal. This one is the West Bengal. So West Bengal is the fifth state in which the river Ganga flows. So once again, there are 5 states in which the river Ganga flows. The first one is this state. Click inside this state, which is the first one, Uttarakhand. Second one, this blue one. Click inside this, that is Uttar Pradesh. Third one, Bihar. Fourth one, Jharkhand. And fifth one, West Bengal. So in your textbook, page number 46, in your textbook page number 46, you can see a blank space here. Fill in the blanks. So at the top it is written state through which the Ganga flows. So the first state already we have seen, Uttarakhand. Here you have to write down the other 4 states. Which all are they? Yes, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. Which one is the fourth state after Bihar? Yes, Jharkhand. And the last one, West Bengal. So please fill up this in your textbook, page number 46. Fill up these blank spaces. So hope all are clear about the first activity. The first activity is in which all states river Ganga flows. There are 5 states. So note down these states and fill up the blanks spaces in page number 46. Now we are moving to our activity 8.2. It's nothing but let us find the name of the capitals of Indian states. Okay, so it's very simple activity. In your textbook page number 47 they have given a table. Yeah, can you see here state, and we need to fill up the capitals. So how to find the capital? It's very simple. You open K Geography, which is the first one. We need to find the capital of Uttarakhand, right? So how to find that? This is Uttarakhand, right? So you just click on this state Uttarakhand, just make a left click. So Uttarakhand, which is the capital, it is written at the down, Dehradun. So when you click on the state, it will display the name of the state and also the capital of the state. The name of the state is Uttarakhand and the capital of the state is Dehradun. Okay, it is interesting, right, students? So you write here Dehradun in this blank space. Which is the second one? Rajasthan. So where is Rajasthan? This one. This Rajasthan is the largest. I think Rajasthan is the largest state in India, right? So this one is Rajasthan. So you just click inside this Rajasthan. Yes. So this is Rajasthan. Name of the state is Rajasthan. Name of the capital is Jaipur. Okay, so you write down here Jaipur in this blank space, Jaipur. Next one is Chhattisgarh. Okay, so Chhattisgarh, we need to find out Chhattisgarh. So I think this blue color, this one is Chhattisgarh. So let us try this. Click inside this blue. Yes, this is Chhattisgarh. So name of the state is Chhattisgarh and name of the capital is Raipur. Name of the capital is Raipur. So you just fill here, write down here Raipur. Next one is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, we all know it is above this Tamil Nadu, right? This one. So click on inside here. Yes, the name of the state is Andhra Pradesh and capital name is Hyderabad. Okay, so that's also very clear. So you write down here Hyderabad. Next state is Kerala. We all know where is Kerala and the capital is Tirunelveli. Okay, so you just click inside Kerala. Name of the state is Kerala and name of the capital is Tirunelveli. Write down here. And the last one, Assam. So where is Assam? I think Assam is this one, this orange. Okay, so click inside here. Yes, Assam. Name of the state is Assam and name of the capital is Dispur. Okay, name of the capital is Dispur. So you write down here Dispur. So please fill up this table in your textbook page number 47. In your textbook page number 47, you just fill up. So activity 2 is nothing but to find out the name of the state and the capital of the state. So how to find that? You just click inside the state. So you can see the name of the state and also it will display the capital of the state. So very simple activity. Our next activity is in your textbook page number 48. We need to find out the neighboring countries of India. Find out the neighboring countries. Let us find out the neighboring countries of India. So you may be already studied this topic. There are seven neighboring countries. Eight neighboring countries. Okay, so already they have written one neighboring country. Yes, Pakistan, we all know that. So we need to find the other 7 neighboring countries. So let me show it using K-Geography software. So it's nothing but our neighboring countries, okay, our boundaries. So this one, which is this country, if you click inside here, it is Pakistan. Just make a left click inside here, Pakistan. This is also a neighboring country. Yes, this is also touching our India. Okay, so click inside this. Which country is this? It is written here Afghanistan. So in this blank space you write here Afghanistan. The second neighboring country is Afghanistan. Whether this is a neighboring country? No. When you click inside here, yes, it is written here not a neighboring country of India. So no need of this one. Okay, now which is this state, sorry, this country, not a state, this country, we all know that this country, a big large country. Yes, China is a neighboring country. So you write down the third one, China, in this blank space. Which is this one? We all know that this one is Nepal, right? Click inside here. Yes, Nepal. So in this blank space write down Nepal, fourth one. Which is this small neighboring country? Yes, Bhutan. I think Bhutan. Click inside this country. Yes, Bhutan. So you write down fifth one, Bhutan. Which is this one? I think this is Myanmar. Click inside here. Yes, Myanmar. So you write down here the sixth neighboring country of India, Myanmar. Which is next one, this one. So this is also known one, Bangladesh, right? Click inside here. So that is Bangladesh. So you write down the seventh one, Bangladesh, in this blank space. And the last one, which is this one, we all know this one, right? That is Sri Lanka. Click inside that. That is Sri Lanka. So you write down here Sri Lanka. Okay, so which all are the neighboring countries? First one Pakistan, this one Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. So write down these things in these blank spaces. Okay, so with this let us conclude today's class. So we have studied 3 activities, right? Which is the first one? Yes, what all things we have studied today? Yes, definition of K-Geography. You just underline this. It will provide information such as international boundaries. International boundaries is nothing but the neighboring countries. We have studied 8 neighboring countries. It will provide information like national flags. It will provide informations like name of states and their capitals. The next thing, how to open the software, application, education, K-Geography. How to change the language also we have studied. First you have to change the language, and after that you close the application, close the software, and once again you open the software, then it will be changed. Next, this activity, this India map, they have given a blue line here. It is nothing but river Ganga. So what is our activity? Let us find the states through which the river Ganga flows. So we have found out that there are 5 states: Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. So when you click inside these states, you will get that name: Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal. These are the 5 states in which the river Ganga flows. What is the next thing we have studied? Activity 8.2. Let us find the name of the capitals of Indian states. That is also very simple. You just click inside the state, left click, so it will display the name of the state and the capital of the state. What is the next topic we have studied? Yes, activity 8.3. Let us find out the neighboring countries of India. So there are 8 neighboring countries. So just click inside, left click inside these neighboring countries. First one, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. Okay, so hope all are clear about today's class. So as a homework, please, in your textbook, please fill out these details. Okay, page number 45, you can see this blank space, fill out this. Page number 47, sorry, this is page number 46, this one, page number 46. Page number 47, this table, you have to fill out this table. And page number 48, you have to fill out these blank spaces. Okay students, so hope all are clear about today's class. Thank you very much, my dear students.